In a lush, verdant forest, there lived a small, vibrant bird, the tanager. Known for its radiant plumage and melodic song, the tanager was the jewel of the forest. Yet, it was trapped, ensnared by a thorn in a lonely tree. The tanager tried to free itself, flapping its wings with all its might, but the thorn was deeply embedded. The other forest creatures, watching from afar, felt a pang of sympathy. They knew the tanager's song was a vital part of their home, and they feared its absence. One day, a young deer named Bambi ventured near the tanager's predicament. Bambi was known for his quick wit and compassion. He contemplated the dilemma, his brow furrowed with concern. "Perhaps I can help," Bambi mused, approaching the tanager cautiously. The tanager looked up, its eyes filled with hope. Bambi examined the thorn, then scurried away, returning with a small stone. He carefully wedged the stone between the thorn and the tanager, applying just the right amount of pressure. With a soft pop, the thorn released its grip, and the tanager was free. The forest erupted in cheers, and the tanager sang a song of gratitude. Bambi smiled, content in the knowledge that he had made a difference. But he knew that the tanager's story was a reminder. In life, obstacles will arise, but with determination, compassion, and a little help from friends, we can overcome them. The tanager's song continued to echo through the forest, a testament to the power of unity and the importance of helping one another. And as the sun set, the tanager and Bambi, along with the other forest creatures, knew that they were all stronger together than apart.